windy day. Whoosh, whoosh goes the wind. What a windy day, says Penny. On goes a coat. On goes a hat. Off goes Penny. Off she goes to mail a letter. Whoosh goes the wind. Off goes the letter. Up it goes. Down it goes. Off goes Penny. Off she goes to find the letter. Did you see the letter, says Penny. Yes, says Dan. It went up there. Did you see the letter, said Penny. Yes, said Fran. It went down there. Did you see the letter, says Penny. Yes, says Anne. It went in there. Did you see a letter, said Penny. Yes, said Stan. It went over there. Will Penny find the letter? Whoosh goes the wind. There goes the letter. It goes up, down, in, and over there. Did you see a letter, says Penny. Yes, says Benny. It went in here. Whoosh goes the wind. Off goes the letters. Off goes Penny and Benny. Off they go again. Whoosh. What a windy day.